How to add a foreign income in TurboTax. So first you want to go to the TurboTax website and sign into your account. Now you want to open or continue your return, usually from the file section if you have a pending return. You can then use the search bar for foreign income or jump to the foreign income section. Now to find the foreign income section, you can expand the tools category from the left side here and click on tools, then click on topic search. And in here, you want to basically search for foreign income, select it from the list here and then click on go. And it should take you directly to this page right here where you can continue following the prompts. Usually you would select yes, you make or you made money outside the United States, and then you want to press continue. And this will guide you through the process where you can enter the foreign income details and follow these to fill out the foreign earned income exclusions if TurboTax asks for that. And the final thing is to basically review and continue your return process. So US citizens and residents generally must report income earned abroad, and you should do it like that. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.